This is a should do assignment. It is on place value and it is like a practice of the lessons that we have just finished. You just need to follow the directions for each of the boxes. Don't forget to use your resources such as your iPad and your calculator. You can even go back to the math lessons to help you with what it is asking. Remember to submit to me through Canvas when you're finished. So when you look at this, it's just got like fill in the blank, and it's got a little word problem there. Name the number places, and you just write them on the lines. Remember, you can abbreviate um, them. Once again, name the number places, name the number places. What is the place value of the 2 and the digit? Okay, same thing. What is the place value? What is the place value? Write this number in expanded form. If you don't remember what expanded form is, look it up. Okay, good luck and have fun with this page. We had all done some estimation, so this is just going to practice your estimating. And you can use whatever method you want. Most of us just like to round the numbers to the leading digit. And by leading digit, it means the number that is in the big or the small or the biggest spot, I guess would be the way to say that. Write your estimations over here and give me your answer on that page. Down here, we're dealing with greater than or less than and greater than. And you just need to write the symbol in the box. Remember to submit to me through Canvas when you are finished.